Hello friends, in today's video we will learn about AWS auto scaling service. It is very important service in AWS. AWS auto scaling monitors your application and automatically adjusts capacity to maintain steady predictable performance at the lowest possible cost. Using AWS auto scaling, it's easy to set up application scaling for multiple resources across multiple services in minutes. It's easy to get started with AWS auto scaling using the AWS management console, command line interface or SDK. AWS auto scaling is available at no additional charge. You pay only for the AWS resources and Amazon CloudWatch monitoring fees. So its benefits are as follows. Its setup time is very quick, and if let's suppose you are having much large benefits, setup scaling quickly, it scale our application very quickly, make smart scaling decisions, automatically maintain performance, pay only for what you need. So first of all we need to create launch template. In launch template you can also use newer features of Amazon EC2. This includes system manager parameters, the current generation of EBS provisioned IOPS volumes, EBS volume tagging and T2 unlimited instances. If you have launch configuration, if you have created launch configuration, you can migrate data from existing launch configurations to launch in templates by copying them in the console. Then you can migrate your deployed auto scaling group that uses launch configuration to a new launch template. So here first of all we will create launch template. Before launch template we are using this first of all we will go here in EC2. In EC2 first of all we will create this launch template you can see here. So now if I will go here in our document, so now we will not create launch configuration, so we will create launch template. This one actually I have already created, so I will create a new launch template. I will give it a name called new launch template, and after that we can give version as well. Here we will select AMI. So AMI we will select here. First of all we will click here, and after that we can select any AMI. So we will select this AMI, Amazon Linux 2. It is taking some time. Yes, it is selected. Now instance type we can select T2 micro, as we are running free account. T2 micro is free. So here this key I will select EC2, and security group I can create one security group. Here I can give it a name, and here I can give allow SG rule for auto scaling, and after that this is already selected, it is in this VPC, let it be selected. And here as what we will do, we will create web server. So for web server port 80 should be allowed, so I am allowing this from anywhere. In your environment you should not allow from anywhere, from respective IPs from you will access it, then that IP only you need to allow here. EBS volume I will select that only which is default, and after that here I will go at the last, and there in user data I will select all this and I will paste it. Here I am giving user data, but in your real environment what you will do, you will select an AMI where all information are already there. That AMI you will create, and it will not take much time for creating your server, and after that in that server this web server will be there. So here what it will do, first of all it will update the yum packages, and after that it will install http package, and post that it will start and enable that. And in web page, this is the default configuration of web page. In that we have mentioned this thing, it will come in that web page, this information will be there. So now I will create that launch template. It is creating. We can see our launch template which we have created. Its name is new launch template. After creating launch template, we have to create auto scaling group. Now we have to click here, auto scaling group. I will give a name called auto scaling group. Post that I need to select a launch template, so I have created one launch template that I will select from here. It's all configuration came here. I will select text. So VPC and availability zone I can select. So I am selecting 1 and B. And after that I can select here. I can override the details which I have given here. I can override that as well. Here if I have already created any load balancer, I can select that load balancer as well, but in my case I haven't created any load balancer. It is the grace period of time, it is the amount of time until EC2 auto scaling perform the first health check on new instance after they put into service. So it will take some time actually to build new server. When when you have actually this performance load is there, then it will take some time to build server. Actually it is 5 minutes. Here this desired capacity, minimum capacity and maximum capacity is there. So we will see what are these. Desired capacity actually represent the initial capacity of the auto scaling group at time of creation, means how many servers it will create initially. Minimum capacity represent the minimum group size when its minimum capacity actually represent the minimum group size when scaling policies are set. An auto scaling group cannot decrease its desired capacity lower than the minimum size limit. Whenever policies are set, it should not delete that actually minimum capacity, otherwise it will delete the servers if that minimum capacity are not mentioned. Maximum capacity represent the maximum group size when scaling policies are set. An auto scaling group cannot increase its desired capacity higher than the maximum size limit. So for that what we will do, here desired capacity we will mention 2, minimum 1 and maximum 3. And after that scaling policy now we are not choosing. So as of now we will just create our server for that. For scaling policy in next video I will tell you what is those scaling policies. According to that we will create our server. Actually it is automatically created whenever those scaling policies are met. So next I will select here. Now I will create it. Here I can see in activity and instance management, 2 servers as I mentioned, desired servers. So 2 servers will be created. So I will just go to my EC2 service to check how many servers are creating now. So I have filtered on running. As you can see, two servers are creating, and it is creating now. Because of this, you can see the time as well. So let them create. Here this is successful. I got message activity history. In activity history I got that. So here I have mentioned desired capacity is 2, that's why initially 2 servers are built and maximum is 3. So now once those server will be created successfully, then I will terminate this server, and in this server if I will terminate, then we will see automatically if new server will be created or not, because desired capacity is 2. I will just verify that web server is running or not, because in user data I have mentioned all this detail. Yes, it is running from one server, and other server also I will verify. Okay, I have checked from single server only. Yes, that is also running. So it is running web server, and this detail I have already put on user data. So it is running successfully. So now what I will do, I will terminate this. Here I will see the logs. It will take some time to create a new server. Those two servers, as you can see, created on 1A and 1B, which I have selected at the time of creating that launch this launch template. Here I will see that server is creating or not. It will take some time, so I will pause this video. Now you can see that server is creating. This is healthy, this server which is now created after terminating this server. Now I will just go to this EC2 service, and now I can see this server is created. At last I can verify 81CB. This this server 81CB, it is in pending state. I'll refresh it. This server is running now and it is initializing. It will take some time. Now I will verify here as well web server is running or not. This is running on this server as well. That's it from this video. Thanks for watching my video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. In next video we will see how to do scaling policies, and after that automatically the server will be created. Thank you. Thanks a lot.